Now I'm going to show you how to use the Hedgehog Wall. So, take my running shoes, put them right on. My daughter's winter gloves. And a pair of my son's shoes. So these nozzles on the end maximize airflow to circulate throughout the shoe or the glove that you have hanging. And one important thing to note is that these need to be turned on, but only for the products that you're trying to dry. So these shoes turn on, these gloves go on, these shoes go on, these nozzles stay off. That'll maximize the airflow to these three products. So press start. There's a default setting for 3 hours, 37 degrees, and level 2 on the volume and air power. You can adjust as you'd like between 1 and 10 hours. You can adjust between room temperature, 37 degrees, 45, and 60. We recommend 37 or room temperature for things like leather. And then we also have 5 different fan powers. So we have silent mode, which is much quieter, but takes a longer time to dry. And then we also have tornado mode for super fast drying. So my kids might be late for school, so I need to dry their stuff super fast. We're going on tornado mode. To turn off the product, note that it has a 5-second cooling time before it turns off. So this is a really great product, and it has a much higher and faster drying time than the average shoe dryer on the market. The average shoe, a wet shoe coming out of the washing machine, can take about 30 minutes to dry, and a set of gloves can take 15 to 30 minutes to dry. Now that's quick drying.